Okay guys, so this is the UNI card that has arrived now, and I want to show the unboxing of it. Basically looks like it's a kind of a mobile phone the way it is being delivered, but I will show you what is inside this box. You see, this is the way this box has arrived, and now I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so it's a very cool way, the way they have delivered this card. This is a UNI card. For whoever doesn't know, it's not a credit card, but I would recommend you have to use this card only when you have enough money to pay back the company, when you're using their money to purchase anything. So what they do is, you can just do part payments in 3 parts, or when you are paying completely in one go, then they'll give you 1% cash back of the total money spent. Okay, so they are saying, say hello to your UNI card, flip over for details. And it says, very excited to see you here, we hope you like the card, and small surprise in the box. Okay, we'll see what the surprise is. Please open the UNI app to set up the card pin for... Okay, fine. So this is my card, that's a card holder itself, and then they have a back tag. Wow, let's see what the back tag, how the back tag actually looks like. Sorry, I'm using my one single hand to use all of this, so kind of struggling here. Okay, that was my name written on the tag, and then I don't know what's this, maybe it's a mask. Looks like it's a mask, UNI mask, and there's a Toblerone. This is a Toblerone. Cool way. It's melted because it's too hot here, so I'll put it in the fridge, but it's a good way. So guys, enjoy the card. I feel it's a good way, but what I feel also is that they provide you option of paying your complete bill in 3 parts, but there won't be any benefits on top of that. Apart from that, you're not paying anything extra or any interest on those 3 part payments you're doing. That's the only benefit. But I feel UNI has to do something else as well, because I mean, somewhere it is similar to what a credit card is, but then credit card does give you benefits when they are giving you 0% EMI option as well. So they give you cashbacks on part payments as well. So I think you need to look into this as well and come up with a plan that even if people are paying in 3 parts, then they should get some benefits as well. Maybe some points or flyer points that people can use while flying somewhere or something like that, you know. Other than that, if you're paying completely in one go, for example, you're paying 3 lakhs or in total altogether through this, when you actually bought something for 3 lakh, for example, through UNI card, and you plan to pay that off altogether in one go, so you will get a 1% cash back. So I know 1% is quite small amount, but if you do consistent shopping with this card, it will give you a lot of savings, I feel. So I spoke to the UNI card customer executive somewhere back, I think 3-4 days back, and they actually clarified my doubt, and they said that 1% cashback is applicable on each transaction, but not the complete bill of the month. So I actually thought that if I'm spending for a month in total, it will give me 1% cashback on that, but no, it's not like that. Every transaction will get 1% cashback. And one more thing, 1% cashback is not a cashback, but it's a kind of a discount. And how that basically happens is, if you have 1% of that total amount. So you will be paying 1% less while paying off your bills. So I guess that clarifies many people's doubt here, and I hope you guys enjoy the uni card. But I have a very good suggestion for uni. I think uni, you need to look into the benefits part for part women as well.